Hey guys, today we had a nice little Sunday beach day in Malibu, so I thought I'd take you along. We started out with a delicious lunch, seafood for her, and for me, it's burger time. Then we did a nice little jog. Jax, my dog, is actually a hound dog, so he really likes digging, and I like to help him out whenever I can. Babe girl had to test out the water. Then it was time to chill. I read a book, Jax got out of the sun. Brittany's looking good. Then a quick little photo shoot, and then a slow-mo run down the beach.